Tharikira yatungirio etikia na andu angi kanithaini wa ACK WITIMA mwena wa Uthaya kaunti-ini ya NYIRI makiria ma kiumia kimwe kihituku kuria mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP RIGATHI GACHAGUA ari ni arurumurire ciuria ciania maratabania tharikira ici ngwataniro ya Ahunjia mwena wa Uthaya riu makiuria thirikari eke mituki na tabania uthuthuria na ihingurire thitango aria matabanirie giko giki
no turie thirikari ona mutongoria wito wa borithi IG kaja kurora maundu macio na tugena maumirira moria maundu macio matangicokera thiini wa bururi wito ni tondu no tugena ihora ria Ngai
no turie ateti a miena yothe gigekota kiu giekekire ACK WITIMA gitikanekeke kundu kungi bururi-ini witu tondu ni giko gia thoni na as a church guku bururi-ini wa Kenya being turi andu amwe ao tutingenda kukona undu tocio ringi.
Ahunjia aya ni moriti ateti kweheria ngurani ciao kanitha-ini magikumithia uteti utari na kihariro muno makiria riri bururi urehariririe nundu wa githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027
tunyitanagira nigetha tuhunjie kiugo kia Ngai na kwoguo riria umwe witu ahutio aria angi othe ni mahutio uguo matiraika ithi turi ithuothe tondu turi mwiri umwe wa Kristo
ithuothe tuhutitio kwoguo ni turahoya thirikari yo ikinyo ria na ihenya ni tondu undu ucio nigetha hindi ingi bururi witu gutikanagie no ndu tocio thiini wa nyumba ya Ngai hindi ingi.
Ihinda-ini o riu muthikabu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki Diocese ya Wote Reverend Simon Peter Kamomoe ni akomithitie giko giki akiuga giki ni kionereria kia bururi ugumirwo ni uregenyuku wa mitugo na watho.
We have seen even what happened in Uthaya, very unfortunate, and this just tells us the kind of leaders that we have in our country. It just tells us, it just communicates to us, and Kenyans, we only, for me I would say, we just need to pray for these leaders, so that Christ can also, who is the light of the world, Christ can enlighten their minds, because they are in darkness. And we also remind, and that is why we realize as a Catholic Church, we have, and we maintain that position, that we don't allow our places of worship in any Catholic, we have said, and they should also respect other churches. But in the Catholic Church, we have said they should not allow anybody, any politician or anybody, to come and use it for any other purpose except divine worship, because that place has been consecrated and dedicated for that divine worship.
Oho no amenereria atongoria aria maretigithia gukumithia ciiko ici akihinyiriria no nginya atongoria matie kanitha thengia ya ngurani ciao cia kiuteti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.